Hi, so we are going to learn Don't Know Why by Norah Jones. This is a great song that's kind of got a jazzy feel, and the way I'm playing it is, there's quite a few different ways to play it on the internet. So the way I'm doing it is going to use Capo 3rd fret, and we're going to show the way I'm doing it and also a more simplified version that's useful if you're just going to play and sing, if you want to make it simple. And you know, this works really well if you're just a single guitar, that's it, and the vocals. So first chord, I'm playing a G, and I like to play the G, you can see, with my pinky right here. Alright, and then I'm going to G7, so first finger here. Right, and next one is C. Make sure you hit the high E there. And then walk down to the B and only play the first, the pinky and the first finger for the B7 chord. Like that, right? So going through, and you're going to get this sheet, by the way, this Google sheet. It's in the description. There's a link to it. Copy that. Go File and click Copy, make a copy, and then you'll be able to do that. Save that for your own. Okay, walks down there, and then the next one is E minor 7, and then A7. Okay, so just like regular A, just give me that middle note. And then for the D, just play the it's a D7. Just play the first finger on the 4th fret, which is the first actually, B string, and make sure you hit the bass note as the D. Okay, so if you're just playing simple, it's going to be strumming like this. Okay, now an easy way to remember this is something you want to understand is like we're hearing this note that's descending. Right? Okay, and as well as what's really important, the way I'm doing it, is what the bass notes are doing and the timing of that top descending note. Okay, so you heard the bass note. I'm going to show you what I'm doing there is okay. Okay, going back and forth with the B and E string with this hand, my right hand, and then for the C, now you're just going back and forth with the G and B string. G and B, there, see? And then hit the low E. One more time on that one with the E. Okay, so we're just going, that's our picking with the right hand. The cool thing, so the thumb is going E string, A string, D string. All together. Okay, takes a little practice there, and once you get it, it sounds really cool because you're playing the bass guitar plus, you know, what the piano is kind of doing in the guitar. So that's what helps when you're just single vocal and single guitar works really well. So now next thing is just going to be you know, whatever we call a chorus or pre-chorus. Sure. So chorus E minor 7. Want to get that pinky on the 2nd fret E string when you play that A7. Okay, see that? D and then D7. And once again, E minor. Now this is where this walk down is. Just do it like that with you're keeping the 3rd finger on the 3rd fret B string. Great. So there you go. There's that walk down there. And that's pretty much how the song goes. You'll be able to look through. You'll see the same chords going all the way through the song. Again, you want to work on the timing. You got 2 different ways to play it with the simple strumming. I wouldn't use a pick for this song. Maybe if you want to with the strumming, but it's a softer sound without the pick with using your fingers, right? That's pretty much it there. Make sure, you know, practice with the bass notes, and you'll see the description. Like, comment next songs you want to see me teach, and yeah, shout out to my uncle for showing me the way he was playing this song that he learned from a different video, and we kind of broke it down and figured out a better way to play it. So good stuff. Thanks.